Alright guys, we're back at it again with another Spirit Halloween. What is different? Let's go. Are you gonna step on me? 3, 2, 1. And then we got the shirts. That's all this. Alright, so now we got the Spirit Halloween shirts. I really like these shirts. They're really cool. We got the little costume, little decorations, little book bags. And yeah, here are the animatronics. You got slits, little 360 head, and then you got the black cart. Really cool.
I've been keeping these tools nice and sharp, just in case the farmer's spirit returns. I think he will be very pleased with how I've been running things. I'm sure he'll be thrilled to see you. The original farmer buried his victims in this very field. They say it helps to keep its soil nice and fertilized. But you can't see where the remains lie. Did you know that this
So I couldn't leave without getting something. So I got one of the rare Spirit Halloween and the Funko Pops. It's a Spirit Halloween exclusive Killer Clowns from Outer Space jumbo action figure. Look at him. His side 931. Got Killer Clowns from Outer Space, Pop Movies. There's a side of him, and boom. That's the figure. Let's get to unboxing. Alright guys, so let's get to unboxing. And I never actually watched a Killer Clowns from Outer Space, so it's different. Oof. Look at that. So this is the inside of the box. Nothing. Oh wait, it actually does come with something. Little black outline. And here's the figure itself. Now, feels really, really nice. You go, he's pointing at you. Come over here. With little Shaq shoes. And he's also a black light figure, so he glows up in the dark. He turns green in the dark, and then here's his little hammer behind his hat. See the little Hershey Kiss head and stuff. I really like this figure. I'll rate this figure an 8.5. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification bells. Bye guys. See you.